Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? It's Easy Drawings, and today we're going to go over how to draw Detective Pikachu. So I'm going to be using this pencil. It's basically just a regular pencil. It's kind of like a colored pencil, if anything. And I'm going to be using the eraser from the back of a mechanical pencil. So, excuse me, we're going to go step by step, and you'll be able to do this even if you're a beginner. So follow along with me, grab a pencil, and let's go. I'm going to start light on the page. I'm using regular printer paper. And I'm going to draw his overall body shape first because I want him to fit on the page. I'm drawing quick, and I'm just drawing to get the proportion in. His ear, the other ear, hand's gonna go forward, magnifying glass, feet, just getting general proportions right now. Circle for the eyes. So let's draw that hat on there. It's gonna have that brim of the hat. And his body is a little bit big, but I'm okay with it. Might shorten the legs a little bit, just to kind of stay on model, stay on the design a little bit more. So this is my vague proportion. I threw that in there relatively quick. It's really vague, and I can move stuff around, especially if it's pencil. You can erase it. So be ready to erase. Don't draw too heavily at the beginning. Just kind of keep it light. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to commit. So I'm going to go in to the hat. The hat has these two, kind of like a little bow on the top, a little tiny one, like a knot. Has segments to it as well, so just kind of remember that part. His ear is sticking out the side. His ear has kind of a, how do you say, almost looks like a butter knife shape. It's gonna be his ear on the other side as well. Has also that kind of butter knife style shape. I'm gonna draw in that shape at the top. I'm gonna draw in the shape at the top over here as well. Eyeball. Eyeball. I'm going to put a circle within that pupil and then shade in the rest. And then I'm going to put another circle here for a highlight and then shade that in. Triangle for the nose. Smile. Pikachu smile. down the face. Smile here. Little tongue. And I want to fill that in, the negative space of him opening his mouth. Little cheek, the rosy cheek. I should just draw a circle. A little Pika hand. Arm. And I want him to grasp onto a magnifying glass because he is a detective. Circle right here. Think of like the side of a coin. Going down into his legs. Down his back. He's spreading his hand, his little paw, hand paw, as he's kind of aiming it forward because he's jumping. And it's kind of foreshortening there because the hand's kind of aiming right at us. Paw at the bottom. And then his front paw over here. Design on the back, and I'm gonna fill that in. They're just little, like, you know, loops. And then his tail. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the eraser. I'm just going to erase a lot of these spare lines that are all over. Just kind of going through, cleaning it up. It's kind of fun to like just clean it out. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow toward the bottom just to show some dimension. A little bit of bottom here. A little bit on the side. That's pretty much it. That is Pikachu. Detective Pikachu. I really hope that was easy to follow, and you know, please pause. If you have any questions, let me know, and what I can do is I can actually maybe make a, you know, like a side video explaining things I didn't go over, or You know, just let me know, guys. I'll put his fingers here. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys next time. Oh, also, if you guys want any help, if you're interested in that, I do have a Patreon. It might have some perks that you will like, and let me know. See you later.